Ever wondered how many people are behind the scenes at YNAB, the app that helps millions of people ditch debt and save money? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the team size and get a glimpse into the vibrant community that makes YNAB tick. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, isn't just an app, it's a philosophy. It's about taking control of your finances, spending intentionally, and achieving your financial goals. But who are the brains behind this revolutionary approach to budgeting? How many passionate individuals dedicate their time and expertise to making YNAB the powerful tool it is today? You might be surprised to learn that YNAB isn't a massive corporation with thousands of employees. In fact, it's a relatively lean and agile team. This unique structure allows for a strong company culture, fostering close collaboration and a deep understanding of their users' needs. So, how many people actually work at YNAB? While the exact number can fluctuate, it typically hovers around a few hundred employees. This might seem small compared to some of the tech giants, but it's a testament to YNAB's focus on efficiency and impact. This smaller team size translates to a unique and collaborative work environment. Employees often wear multiple hats, contributing to various aspects of the business. This fosters a sense of ownership and empowers individuals to make a real difference. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of YNAB's team size is the significant impact they have on their users. With a relatively small workforce, they've managed to empower millions of people around the world to achieve their financial goals. This speaks volumes about the dedication, creativity, and efficiency of the YNAB team. So, who are these talented individuals? The YNAB team comprises a diverse range of professionals, including software engineers, developing and maintaining the YNAB app and website. Product managers, defining the product roadmap and ensuring it aligns with user needs. Customer support specialists, providing exceptional support to YNAB users. Content creators, developing educational resources and engaging content. Marketing and sales, spreading the word about YNAB and acquiring new users. Finance and operations, managing the day-to-day operations of the company. It's also worth noting that YNAB has embraced remote work. This allows them to attract top talent from around the world, fostering a diverse and inclusive work environment. Beyond the core team, the YNAB community plays a vital role in the company's success. This vibrant community of users actively participates in forums, shares their budgeting journeys, and provides valuable feedback. This constant interaction helps YNAB continuously improve their product and better serve their users. While the exact number of employees might not be the most exciting statistic, it's crucial to understand that YNAB's success isn't solely measured by its team size. It's about the impact they have on their users' lives. The lean and agile structure allows them to focus on what truly matters, empowering individuals to achieve financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.